Yan na yung mga robin na na mga ibon na may layang lumipad pag kinulong mo at umiiyak. Yun. Cute nila. Maglagay kaya ako dito ng bird feed para kumain sila dyan. I'm here at Walmart, but I think it's closed for some reason. Is the Walmart closed? Oh, what's going on? It's renovating? It's getting renovated?
No, not renovated. We have an incident happened last night in the store.
Oh.
Somebody drove his car into our building.
Oh, somebody drove the car. Oh, I see. Oh, okay. All right. Oh, well, that's it. Oh, man. Somebody drove the car in there. Oh, look at that. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, I was gonna go shop and see what's going on. Okay. So, yeah, somebody drove a car. There's a big hole right there. You can't be in there. So, weird. Hintay natin yung flight natin. Magano tayo, fly muna tayo ng drone. Nakakaatig din eh. Nakakati. Matatasan pa. 50 meters. Ayan. Saan ba? Ang control niya. Mamatay.
The flight height limit has been reached.
Ganyan pala mga vlogs. Hindi ko alam kung saan nasa likod ko, kaya pala yung signal hindi masyado siya transmission signal, kaya itong flat part na to kailangan ayan siya nakatapat sa drone. Nawawala vlogs. So mga vlogs, dito tayo sa Vancouver. Meron tayong puntahan ngayong weekend, training. Vancouver Airport. And baggage claim. I think that's where the exit is. Tayo dito. Nagland tayo. Ang isang oras mahigit yung flight from North BC. So nakaupo ka lang mahigit isang oras. Yan tayo. May Starbucks dito. Hindi natin kailangan ng kape. Saan tayo? Baggage ko eh. Tayo sa exit. Daming tao dito sa Vancouver. Right. Just doing vlogging. Yeah.
How long have you been vlogging?
It's about 2 years now.
Oh wow, you got quite a story behind there.
Yeah. Rob TV, Philippine Life.
Yeah.
Check it out.
There we go.
Where are you coming from? It's okay in the camera?
Burns Lake. Hi.
Burns Lake.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. What's your name?
Northern BC.
Yeah, I'm
Juwan.
from Prince George.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
And,
Juwan?
Yes.
Oh, okay. You're from Burns Lake?
I moved out here from Ontario back in 2019,
Oh.
and now I'm moving to Quebec.
Oh, I'm from Ontario before too.
Oh.
Mississauga.
Oh, okay. I'm from Woodstock.
Woodstock. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you're moving to Quebec.
Yeah.
You know French?
Nope.
Oh. Yeah.
Just one
So
of
what
those
made you
things.
move to Burns Lake?
I wanted to live off grid, so
Oh, yeah.
I did that for 2 years.
Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, it's very less populated.
Very 5,000 people.
Yeah, that's it. I go over there to service.
Yeah.
Yeah, I fix photocopiers. So.
Okay, cool.
Okay, nice meeting you.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, thanks. Okay. Exit. Yeah, so ayan mga vlogs. May na-meet tayong taga Burns Lake. And mukhang bata pa eh. Malakas pa yan. Ang dami pa siyang working years ahead of him. Ayan. Dati yung mga ganyang edad, wala pa mga vlogging. So, ayan. Let's see where it goes. Mga baggage claim dito sa Vancouver. Wala man tayong baggage na chinek-in, so tuloy na tayo sa gate. Kuha tayo ng taxi punta sa ating hotel. Ayan. Ayan mga vlogs. Train to city. Saan tayo? Dito. Labas na tayo. Vancouver. Ang tawag dyan, Totem Pole ata. Ayan. Ayan o. Hindi tayo pwede kumuha ng taxi. Taxi. Dito ata. Passenger pickup. Dito tayo. So ayan, vlogs. Dito tayo sa hotel. Magpapahinga muna ata. Napakita ko lang siya yung face ng Indian native art. Airplane, eagle. Ayan. Ito naman. Ayan. Totem pole. Ayan. Parang tiyanak. Dito ng sasakyan. Dito tayo. Passenger car rentals. Passenger pickup. I guess that's taxi. So yung mga taxi. Passenger pickup dito. Dito ata yung taxi. Where's the taxi? Taxi. Taxi? Where's the taxi?
One level up.
Huh?
So nice.
One level up.
One level up.
One
Oh,
level up.
sorry.
Oh wait, I gotta go. No.
One level up. Not here. Taxi. Mali yung pinuntahan natin mga vlogs. Passenger pickup. Basta tayo. Kasi yung hindi ka familiar sa place eh. Sabi niya one level up. Hindi naman niya sinabi kung saan babalik. Ayan, bawal ata mag-park. One level up. Magtayo siya lang. Baliktad. Welcome. Adi. elevators. Yeah, wait tayo. Dito tayo. Taxis. Pila tayo rito. Ayan, line. Okay. Oh, this is the lineup for taxi. Wow. Wow, look at that. Ano tayo, buti na lang may nakita tayong Spring Blossom tree. Yan o. Ayan. Konti-konti naman yung taxi pero tingnan natin kung makakakuha tayo ng Uber or something. Yan mga taxi. Naka-vlog sa Vancouver. It's Vancouver traffic.
Friday, very busy night.
Yeah. Look at the TNT. Mga vlogs, dito tayo sa Hilton Metro Town. Yan. Dito tayo sa music. Ayan mga vlogs. Pagod na tayo. Mga vlogs, i-room tour ko kayo. Yan. Ito yung washroom. Ito yung room. Walang ilaw. Tayo magka-ilaw. Kailangan ata ng password. Parang wifi. Ito walang ilaw. Ito may TV. Pero walang ilaw. Yun. Yun. Tingnan natin yung view. Yan yung view. Parang sa condo lang. 10th floor tayo. Tingnan natin yung view dito. Yun yung view. Yun. Ayan o. Tapos yan, may big screen tayo dito. Big screen TV. Yun natin yung TV. Yan. Yan. Tapos ito. Yan. Ayan mga vlogs. Ang room. Yun. Laki-laki din. Parang pang-bachelor Ito ano to. May kahadi ano dito. Kahadi metal. Metal boss ng kamote. Metal boss ng sili. Bakit? Ayan, sara. Ayan. Tapos may small fridge. And then microwave. Ayan. Tapos dito gawin natin sa 20. Auto fan. Yan. Yun lang. Mga vlogs. See you tomorrow. Room mga ka-vlogs. Nilawan ko Yan. May artwork siya ron Ito yung same view. Yan, tignan natin bukas yan. Nandito yung ano, Metro Town. Yan. Yan, kaya pala yung Union Duce malaki. Kaya nilang magpa stay dito sa mga union rep